so now we're at push-up position. The first one, Kwame, if you want to go on the wall, I'll just show the first one. And Sydney, can you stand like you're standing against the wall?
Yes.
Awesome. So let's imagine Sydney is against the wall. Kwame is literally against the wall. And now obviously Sydney will be leaning forward a little bit more, so lean into the wall a little bit more. Perfect. So now the further she walks back, go ahead, the more challenging it's going to be. So that's going to be our first progression. Most people can push against the wall, is just stand. Okay, come on. All right, so just hold that position now. So first level progression against the wall. And then, again, we're going to go through that checklist. Same thing, we're looking at head position. Is the head in neutral? We're looking at shoulder blade, traps, so the trap's elevated. And then we're looking at shoulder blade retraction or protraction. Good. Then we're looking at lower back. Is it neutral? Now on this one, let's maybe look what the pelvis. We're looking at pelvis. I think we're looking at pelvis rotation. Oh, yes. Pelvis is going to be, does the pelvis collapse or is it neutral? So if you collapse, you bring your pelvis towards me, perfect. So that means they can't maintain core stability, their lower back is not engaged. And then we have the knees, are they flexed or neutral? So sometimes you'll notice when people are standing, they may, or in a push-up position, they may bend their knees a little bit. They just don't have they might be shifting their weight off their hands, or something else is a little bit weak. And then we're looking at their ankles. Are they symmetrical or asymmetrical? So is one rolled in? Just kind of look at the symmetry of the 2 feet. So that's going to be our yes/no answer, symmetrical or asymmetrical. But a lot of times in physical therapy evaluations, you're looking for that asymmetry or that symmetry. So that's what we're measuring for this round. Again, we're going through those same body parts, might be looking at some things a little bit differently on this one. Okay? So we'll end that.